Hey Vixens, today I will show you how to do a sleek, sexy Chinese bang. Here are the items you will need. Scissors, comb, thread, needles. You want to make sure your client hair is clean and prepped for braiding. So what I do is I try to braid in very small braids when I'm doing a Chinese bang because you don't want your bangs to be very thick. You don't want that bulk underneath it, so make sure your braids are laying very flat. Then you want to sew down that excess hair, that little braid. You want to sew that down so it won't stick out throughout your sewing. Then you want to apply your netting. And whatever else needs to be cut off, cut that off. And ladies, we'll be using my hairline, Hair Vixen Extensions, website coming soon. I'll let you guys know when it's up, okay? Please bear with me because it's a process. So I like to sew from ear to ear only because I hate when sew-ins are very thin on the sides and, thick in the back. So this makes the sewing even throughout. And then I just sew from ear to ear, back and forth. I often use a flat iron because I like the way it makes the tracks lay. If it's too bulky on the edges, it tends to look crazy because it sticks out. So the heat from the flat iron allows it to lay flat. And never mind the Christmas tree in the back. I recorded this so long ago, guys, but I've been so busy. I'm just now getting around to editing it. It's horrible. I'm so sorry. Now we're going to start going around in the beehive. So around and around and around. I often like to use hairspray too, to flat iron with. It makes the flyaways lay flat and makes it nice and smooth. Now, when you cut, ladies, please, 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 I stress this, please do not cut a big section for your bangs. Don't do that. They'll be way too wide. So what I tend to do is part into a triangle, take my razor, cut, and then go in with my shears and put a little texture in it so it won't just be that straight, blunt, boring, normal Chinese bang. Thank you, ladies, for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.